Morning traders, today is 24th of July. What a blessing day, guys. Amazing trade. Euro pound. We had such a nice beautiful short trade here. We've been short since the Asian session. Let me explain to you how I analyze the market. Pretty straightforward, as explained to my trader. If the price is going to, you can see here the price broken and retest. That's the high probability trades. In intraday, we had this symmetric triangle pattern breakout. As explained, that was the first target, which is price nicely hit. Now the final target around this level. Let's see here. The news is bad for the euro. We just PMI data released for German and French, which is negative. Let's see if the price gonna hit this target. This is the final target. Amazing trade, guys. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That was a pretty straightforward. You can see here, guys, this is the Asian session analysis. Price developed a symmetric triangle pattern, and as explained, price broken after the breakout, give us the null confirmation, and the still price is heading towards the final target. Bank amazing profit on euro yen. You want to see all that analysis in real time with explanation? Most welcome, guys. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.